You want your truck to be badass? Follow me. I'm going to show you 5 steps to get there. Step 1, blackout. Step 1, blackout. Anything that you have that's chrome needs to be blacked out. Now this bumper was chrome, this piece was chrome. The bumpers, I've used a floppy disk, flexible disc on my grinder, and I ground off that chrome. Sparks were flying, so there's no going back on that. Then I shot a self-etching primer on there, and then 2 coats of truck bed liner, a Rust-Oleum truck bed liner. So that looks pretty good. On the wheels, black them out. These were aluminum wheels. They weren't chrome. They were aluminum, had a coating on there. Same thing again. I took my grinder, used a floppy wheel on there, got rid of that coating, painted this with bumper and trim paint, Rust-Oleum again. Left that center cap silver just because it looks badass. These mirrors, my door handles, all the window trim. This was already blacked out, so I got lucky. Back bumper, same thing. Use that grinder on there, sparks were flying. Self-etching primer, and then shot the truck bed liner on there. Step 2, blackout. Step 2, yeah, blackout. Make it happen. Blackout, most important. If you don't black it out, your truck is not going to look badass. That's why it's in there twice. Step 3, lights. Step 3, lights. We got some foggers down here on the front. Down here, below them, emergency lights. Those flash white and amber. Got these from Amazon, I think $30. This light we got off the Temu, $21 for 2 for a pair of lights. And then I ordered this grill separate. That's important. You need that on there to be totally badass. Each one of these grills was $7. It's for a motorcycle headlight. I had to alter it a little bit, get it on there, but otherwise it fits real well. These lights back here, this is just the other one of that pair. I wouldn't have put it there, but I could only buy it in a pair. So I figure I might as well put it somewhere. That right there is a rear-facing fog light. So I wanted to put one of those on there what that is. In Europe, the cars, pretty much most of the cars in Europe, they have fog lights, standard. And then they have a rear fog light. When they're driving down the Autobahn, if it's foggy, they turn those fog lights on and a brighter red light comes on. That's what this is. This is a turn signal, running light turn signal, pedestal mount, just did it upside down. And when I turn it on, I wired it with these lights. When I turn it on, it comes on bright red. I have both of the filaments wired to come on. So the regular running light and the turn signal comes on. And I put an LED bulb in there. Put these extra brake lights on here, up high. Those I got from Amazon. That pair, no, not the pair. Each one was like $2.41. Now behind there, behind the bulb, there was nothing, there was no reflector. So I took a piece of aluminum foil, cut it out to that shape, glued it in there behind the bulb and put a reflector in there, give it a little more brightness. These backup lights, I put in LEDs, hard to see that one. See the other one. There we go. Put an LED bulb in there. That gets real bright. And I added an extra backup light down there. I just spliced into the wire, held my breath, made that cut, and now I got it right. So I got 3 lights back here. They're pretty bright. Now, I used to have LED bulbs in these lights, but they kept messing with the circuit. They'd blow out my fuse, and they do that hyper flashing. So I put regular bulbs in here and in those high mag brake lights. Step 4, antenna. Step 4, antenna. If you want to look badass, you gotta have a nice big antenna on there. This antenna is not wired or anything. I got the mast from Amazon. And that was expensive. That was 30 some bucks, over $30, I think. I got this spring off the Temu's, probably $3 or something like that. But it's not wired to anything. I don't have a CB radio or anything in there, and I don't intend to put one in. I just want it to look badass. Now you could put 2 lights on there, 2 antennas on there, but I like the way it looks when it's asymmetrical, just like the single light on front. I think that makes it look even more badass. Step 5, preventive maintenance services and checks, PMCS. Preventive maintenance checks and services, PMCS. You don't want to miss it, especially if you have an older high mileage vehicle. Make sure you're checking those fluids, checking the brakes, checking that, all that sort of stuff, so you can stay on the road and continue to be badass. Looking good. All right, there we go. That's 5 easy steps that you can do at home by yourself to make your truck badass. That'll do it for today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.